Are you tired of living with joint pain and stiffness, especially in your hands, wrists, elbows, knees, and hips? If so, you are not alone. As we get older, it's common to experience discomfort in our joints due to a decrease in collagen production. But what if there was something you could do to help improve your joint health and mobility? What if there was a way to say goodbye to swelling and hello to a more active and enjoyable retirement? In today's video, we will share 10 collagen-rich foods that can help reduce joint pain and inflammation, allowing you to move with ease and comfort. These foods are easy to incorporate into your daily diet and can make a big difference in your overall quality of life. So if you are ready to take control of your joint health and start living a more active lifestyle, keep watching. Before we dive into our top 10 picks, let's take a moment to understand what collagen is and why it's so important for our joint health. Collagen is a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining the structure and integrity of our joints. It is a major component of cartilage, tendons, ligaments, and the synovial fluid that lubricates our joints. As we age, however, our collagen production decreases, leading to weaker joints, increased inflammation, and a higher risk of injury. But did you know that certain foods can actually help boost collagen production naturally? By incorporating these foods into your diet, you can help improve your joint health and reduce pain and inflammation. Now that we have an understanding of what collagen is and how it can benefit our joints, let's explore some of the best foods to increase collagen production. One of the most effective ways to boost collagen production is by consuming foods that are rich in amino acids, which are the building blocks of collagen. One excellent source of amino acids is bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-dense liquid that is made by simmering animal bones and connective tissue. It is a rich source of collagen and other nutrients such as glucosamine and chondroitin, which can help improve joint health. To incorporate bone broth into your diet, you can enjoy it as a soup or add it to stews and sauces. Another great option is to use bone broth powder. This is a convenient way to get the benefits of bone broth without having to prepare it yourself. Simply add a scoop to a glass of water or your favorite recipe. For a flavorful and nutritious meal, try adding bone broth to a simple chicken noodle soup. You can also use it to create a rich and comforting stew with vegetables and your choice of protein. Eggs are another excellent source of amino acids and collagen. They are a versatile ingredient that can be prepared in countless ways. When cooking eggs, it's important to use the freshest possible eggs and to cook them gently to prevent them from becoming rubbery. One delicious way to enjoy eggs is as a frittata. A frittata is an open-faced omelet that is typically made with eggs, cheese, and a variety of vegetables. It's a great option for breakfast or brunch, and it's easy to customize to your liking. If you're looking for a high-protein, low-carbohydrate option, try a vegetable omelet. This classic dish is made with eggs, onions, and other vegetables. It's a great way to get your daily dose of protein without the extra carbs. Chicken thighs and avocados are two foods that contain high levels of collagen and other nutrients that can support joint health. Chicken thighs are a lean source of protein, and they're packed with amino acids that are essential for collagen production. Avocados, on the other hand, are rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and pain in the joints. One delicious way to incorporate both of these ingredients into your diet is to make a chicken avocado salad. This refreshing salad is made with grilled chicken thighs, avocado, mixed greens, and a lemon vinaigrette. It's a perfect option for lunch or dinner, and it's sure to satisfy your taste buds and your nutritional needs. For a different flavor profile, try making a chicken avocado burrito bowl. This nourishing bowl is made with brown rice, black beans, corn, tomatoes, and a variety of toppings such as sour cream, cheese, and cilantro. It's a hearty and satisfying meal that is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For those who prefer vegetarian options, bell peppers and cruciferous vegetables like kale and broccoli are excellent sources of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C helps the body absorb iron, which is necessary for the production of collagen. To incorporate these vegetables into your diet, try making a colorful bell pepper salad. This salad is made with a variety of bell peppers, as well as other vegetables such as cucumbers and carrots. It's a crunchy and refreshing side dish that is perfect for any meal. If you're looking for a more substantial vegetarian meal, try making a kale and broccoli stir-fry. This nutrient-packed stir-fry is made with tofu or tempeh, along with a variety of vegetables and a flavorful sauce. It's a great option for a quick and easy weeknight dinner. Leafy greens are another important source of vitamin C and other nutrients that support collagen production. Spinach, in particular, is a great source of magnesium, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. One delicious way to incorporate spinach into your diet is to make a spinach and ricotta salad. This elegant salad is made with fresh spinach, creamy ricotta cheese, pine nuts, and a balsamic vinaigrette. It's a perfect option for a light lunch or dinner, and it's sure to impress your guests. Another leafy green vegetable that is rich in collagen-supporting nutrients is parsley. Parsley contains a compound called apigenin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce joint pain and swelling. To enjoy the benefits of parsley, try adding it to your favorite recipes or using it as a garnish for soups and stews. You can also make parsley tea, which is a refreshing and flavorful way to get your daily dose of this nutrient-rich herb. Citrus fruits like oranges and strawberries are high in vitamin C and flavonoids, which are antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and support collagen production. These fruits are not only delicious and refreshing, but they also contain important nutrients that can help improve joint health. Oranges, in particular, are a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy joints. To incorporate citrus fruits into your diet, try making a refreshing fruit salad. You can mix and match your favorite fruits, such as oranges, strawberries, blueberries, and grapefruit, to create a delicious and nutritious snack or dessert. For a more indulgent treat, try making a fruit smoothie. Blend together your favorite fruits with yogurt or milk, and you'll have a delicious and nutritious drink that is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Now that we've covered some of the best foods to increase collagen production, let's take a closer look at the benefits of collagen and how it can improve joint health. As we mentioned earlier, collagen is a protein that plays a vital role in maintaining the structure and integrity of our joints. It is a major component of cartilage, which is the tough, flexible tissue that cushions the ends of our bones. As we age, however, our collagen production decreases, leading to weaker joints and a higher risk of injury. By consuming foods that are rich in collagen and amino acids, such as bone broth, eggs, and citrus fruits, we can help improve our joint health and reduce the risk of injury. In addition to its role in cartilage health, collagen is also important for maintaining the health of our skin, hair, and nails. As we age, a decrease in collagen production can lead to wrinkles, sagging skin, and brittle nails. By consuming collagen-rich foods, we can help improve the appearance of our skin and hair and reduce the signs of aging. Furthermore, collagen is important for maintaining the strength and flexibility of our muscles and tendons. Our muscles and tendons are the tissues that connect our bones to each other and to our muscles. When our collagen levels are low, it can lead to muscle weakness and joint stiffness. By consuming collagen-rich foods, we can help improve the strength and flexibility of our muscles and tendons and reduce the risk of injury. In addition to improving joint health, collagen is also important for maintaining a healthy gut. Our gut health is essential for overall health because it is responsible for absorbing nutrients and protecting us from harmful bacteria. When our collagen levels are low, it can lead to gut inflammation and increased risk of gut-related diseases. By consuming collagen-rich foods, we can help improve the health of our gut and reduce the risk of gut-related diseases. It's important to note that while collagen-rich foods can help improve joint health, they are not a cure-all for joint pain and inflammation. If you are experiencing severe or persistent joint pain, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions and to discuss treatment options. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better joint health. We hope that this video